Hello everyone. Here is an interesting place I'm going to show all of you. I'm standing in front of this heritage museum. Not much about this is known to the outside world. And even I'm coming here for the first time, being in Bangalore for the last 22 years and having little connection with HAL. On the top you will see Hindustan Aircraft Limited, the name before it became Hindustan Aeronautics Limited. And you can also see the man, the Mysore Maharaja, the Vodayar, who has donated the land then in 1940 to another person who was keen to start his industry, the great Walchand Hirachand. I'm being told that this facility has got priceless photographs capturing the history of HAL from 1940 onwards. And if you also see the map on the top, you can see a different map of India, the undivided India. Today it's a different story. All right, so let's get in and see what is in store. All right, so that there, the Maharaja Krishna Raja Warrior 4 who is donated. So this is how that corner, how it looked, the Hindustan Aircraft Limited, the facility where we stand in 1940, and everything is self-explanatory. So, but still, and then the primary assembly hangar before it was getting constructed, and the first flight of HAL in 1941. And the HAL main gate. Some of the photographs you would have seen, and that's an administrative building which is currently the MDBC's office, right? The HAL Bangalore complex office. The building looks same even now, but some modern changes. So there's a lot to show you, and here it is. This is all history, so better I stay out of the frame and you can now see the first flight of Hindustan trainer in August 1951. A group photo of the employees, the Vampire aircraft is 52, and down the HD2 assembly line, and an aerial view of HAL airport, 1957. And this is the building. This is the main factory building, right? Yes. And of course, then let's go into there are a lot of photographs we will, and then of course then it comes the HJT-16 inaugural flight, the first flight of Kiran, then the Marut first flight June. Okay, you could also have here, you on both sides, here you have the final assembly at NAT. And on the other side, the handing over ceremony of Marut. Okay, very interesting photograph. Look at the people assembled, the 1,000th aircraft delivery function, March 1969. Amazing photograph that. So let's get in from here, and here you're welcome. It's another era. So if you come here, great place. Some of you who are following, the AV Geek might be familiar with these photos. I like this photo, the Kiran. That's a great photograph of Kiran. The Jaguars. And if you turn here straight away, so here the Ajit assembly line. And this is, yes, of course, everything is very neatly captured. So we quickly come around and do this as well. Yeah, so there is a lot of history to this great organization that is HAL. There is a lot of fond memories for generations who have worked associated with India's aeronautical programs. AVM Ajit Lamba was one such person who often talked about planes industry, and that the dignitaries were visited. And here this side as well, we have 3 other photographs dating to different eras. HT2, the Marut, and the Prentice. So that's it from this aviation museum. Something which, honestly, I wasn't aware of, but this is a surprise package as we do the non-stop plane chase ahead of the plane carnival, Aero India 2021. I hope all of you like this small piece of history, especially brought to you. Do remember to subscribe to the channel. Do remember to send your feedback, and do remember to tell others, just in case you find the content inspiring. Thank you. Jai Hind.